In question number 3, a table is given in which years are mentioned, and it is being given to us that in these respective years how many bicycles are manufactured in a factory. So we need to draw the bar graph using scale of our choice, means we need to use the scale, okay, by our choice. Now whenever we need to choose the scale, we should see this numerical data. So you can see it's 800, 600, 900, 1100, 1200. If we don't look for 900 and 1100, these three are the multiples of 200. Fine. So means we can choose the scale of 200, and in between 200 there is a center line on which, if it is required, we can show 900 and 1100. You can choose a scale of 100 as well, like 100 bicycles, 1 unit length, but that will be a little longer. That will be right, absolutely right. Okay, you can use a long big bar graph. The bar graph even of this size that we have used, that will be fine, but a little big the bar graph will form with this, because you can see the data is of 12, means at least 12 markings we need to put. You can do that as well, but I am showing you using the scale as 1 unit length equal to 200 bicycles. I have written the question here on the rule side. Mainly this table, which is important to draw, you also have to do the same. The years are written here and the number of bicycles manufactured. So with the help of using this table, we'll make the bar graph this side. So what is the first thing? First thing is to draw the perpendicular lines. One is horizontal, one is vertical, x-axis and y-axis. Now you can see I have drawn the perpendicular lines. This is the x-axis, y-axis. I have written the captions. These we are going to show the years. Here I have written number of bicycles manufactured, and scale, as we have discussed, I am going to take 1 unit length equal to 200 bicycles. Now time to draw. First of all, let's take the markings. As I told you, 1 unit length 200 bicycles means I am mentioning here 200. Okay, this will be 400, then 600, 800, 1000, and then 1200. Okay, you can do one more, like 1400, just to show. Now first is in 1998, 800 bicycles are manufactured in that factory. So same thing we are doing here, 800. So for 800 we can draw here. Next is in 1999, it's for 600. So for 600 we can draw here. Now time to draw for 2000. For 2000 it is given 900 bicycles. So you can see this is 800 and this is 1000. So what will be 900? 900 will be the center line. Okay, so center line is this. So I am drawing it. Okay, so for 900 we can draw like this, and we can mention the year inside it, that is 2000. For 2001 it is 1100. Again it is 1000, it is 1200. So what will be the 1100? So 1100 will be exactly the center, the midline of 1000 and 1200. That will be here. Okay students, so this I have drawn for 2001, that was 1100 bicycles. Now for 2002 it is 1200 bicycles. So 1200 is here. Okay, so we can mark it here, and then we can draw the bar, the rectangular bar that will show the year, number of bicycles manufactured in year 2002. So in this way we can draw the bar graph of this question. Now in the book the question is asked, in which year were the maximum number of bicycles manufactured? So you can see in which year the maximum numbers of bicycles manufactured. So that is year in 2002. So I have written the answers here. In 2002, maximum number of bicycles manufactured. The second part, the B, is in which year were the minimum number of bicycles manufactured. So minimum number of bicycles manufactured here in 1999. So I have written here in 1999 minimum number of bicycles manufactured. So in this way question 3 is complete. Let us start doing question number 4. Now question number 4, students. Here in question 4 it is given different age groups, and in a town how many persons are there of that age group, like 1 to 14, there 2 lakh persons are there in that town. From 15 to 29 there is 1 lakh and 60,000 persons in that town. So these are the age groups and the number of persons are given in that particular town. Now the question is, first of all, the simple, we need to draw the bar graph to represent above information and answer the questions. But here the scale is given to us that we need to take 1 unit length equal to 20,000, and then we need to answer the following question. But remember students, why we are taking 20,000? Can we take, just look to the data, it's 2 lakh, 1 lakh 60,000, 1 lakh 20,000. I know it is given in the book, that's why we are taking, but then also if it is not given, what type of data we use to choose? We cannot take the persons in the manner that 1, 2, 3. Can you think how long will the bar graph then? Can you just show in any, like this is the bar, suppose the graph paper we are using, can you show somewhere like this is one person, this is second, third, so means how many these unit lengths we require? 20,000, not only 20,000, 2 lakhs, so it is not possible. So that's why we are taking the scale in a manner so that we can draw on our paper. Now students, you can see I have drawn this table from the book on the ruled side and going to make the graph on this side. Now I think you know what should be our first step. Always we use the first step as drawing the horizontal and the vertical lines. So the same thing I am doing here. I am drawing the horizontal and vertical lines, okay, and naming them. This is OX, as it is x-axis horizontal one, and this is y, OY. Now time to write the captions here. You can see here this is the age group, so I am writing the age group here, and this side I am going to write number of persons. So number of persons. But one more important thing I am going to write here is in thousands, because here number of persons which we are going to write is in thousands. So in thousands I have written here, and now time to write the scale here. Writing the scale. Scale is 1 unit length equal to 20,000 people. Okay, so after this let us start drawing. But yes, before drawing it, the first thing is to show the markings. Here in markings I am writing here 20. So 20,000 people. So in thousands I have written here, it means it is but obvious this is 20,000. So 20,000, then it is 40, 60, 80, 100. And you know what is 100,000? 100,000 is equals to 1 lakh. And then it is 120. 120,000 means 1 lakh 20,000. And then 140,000, 160, 180, 200. 200,000 means 2 lakhs. So we have drawn till here because the value which is the greatest value given in the table is 2 lakhs. So this is 200 is nothing but the 2 lakh. We can write here also to remember that this is 2 lakh. Now let us start drawing. In the first age group 1 to 14, the number of persons are 2 lakh. So we can mark here and we can draw for 2 lakh. The bar I am drawing here, as we have drawn earlier, the similar way, leaving this space blank and then drawing this, and I'm writing the age group here 1 to 14. Okay, students. So next age group is 15 to 29, and the data is for that is 1,60,000. So 1,60,000 is this. So I'm marking it here and drawing it as well. Okay, and then you can mention the age group. What is the age group? 15 to 29. So in similar way, you can draw other also, like for 30 to 44, it's 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 is this. So I'm putting the mark here to show you. And next is leaving this space blank, and here 45 to 59, again 1,20,000. So they are equal. Next is 60 to 74 is 80,000, means it will be here, and then 40,000 will come here. So draw these bars. Now you can see I have drawn this bar graph in which different age groups are there. I have shown. Now after drawing this, we need to answer the questions which are there. Which two age groups have same population? So same. Can you just compare these two? They are same. So we can write is the age group 45 to 59 and 30 to 44 have same population. The next question is, all persons in the age group of 60 and above are called senior citizens. So these are the senior citizens, and these are also the senior citizens. 60 and above means these two age groups show the senior citizenship. How many senior citizens are there in the town? Means we need to add this and this. Means how many persons are there till in this age group, that is 80,000, and here it is 40,000. So we need to add to tell the number of citizens. So number of senior citizens in the town are 80,000 plus 40,000, that is 120,000. So you can write the answer in this manner. So our 9.4 is also complete, students. I hope you understood this. This is really interesting to draw the bar graph. So keep practicing drawing the bar graphs by taking different data. You can take the data from your home. You can take the different data and keep on practicing that. So I hope you have enjoyed the students. Thank you.